subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole blog.
Realme has launched its new entry-level C-series phone in India called Realme C30s. Talking about the specifications, the Realme C30s supports a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with a standard 60Hz refresh rate support, and it has a large 88.7% screen-to-body ratio. The phone is powered by an octa-core Unisoc SC9863A chipset, paired with 2, 3 or 4GB of RAM and 32 or 64GB of internal storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB via a dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Realme C30s supports an AI-featured single 8MP camera on the rear with f2.0 aperture, and for selfies it has 5MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. For the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 out of the box with Realme UI Go Edition skin on top, and it packs with a long-lasting 5000 mAh battery. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with Direct 3.0 technology for enhanced stereo audio output. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a microSD charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.2 by 75.7 by 8.5mm, and it weighs around 186 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Realme C30s has been priced in India for 2GB plus 32GB storage variant at 7,499 Indian rupees, while the 4GB plus 64GB storage option is priced at 8,919 Indian rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from September 22nd in stripe black and stripe blue color options. So what do you guys think of this Realme C30s smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.